Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Jamaica's men's 4x100 meter and the mixed 4x400 meter teams, which have not yet secured their tickets for Tokyo, will be in action at this weekend's inaugural Barbados Grand Prix at the Usain Bolt Sports Complex in Bridgetown. The qualification window closes on August 24. The men's sprint relay quartet comprises Kadrian Golson, Boajian Krume, Christopher Taylor, O'Dane McPherson, and Adrian Carr. The mixed mile relay team has Renisha McGregor, Shanike Anderson, Shamar Utah, Bovell McPherson, and Jeremy Bembridge. Despite having already secured qualification for the World Championships, a women's 4x100 meter team will also represent Jamaica at this weekend's meet. The quartet comprises Jodine Williams, Crystal Slowly, Janelle Smith, and Serena Cole. Head coach Paul Francis will be assisted by Lamar Richards. Jamaica's women's mile relay team is the other unit which is yet to secure qualification for the World Championships. The J3A will also use the London Diamond League meet on July 19 and the NACAC Senior Championships in Nassau, Bahamas from August 15 to 17 to attempt qualification for the World Championships. Only two Jamaican teams, the women's 4x100 meters and the men's 4x400, qualified from the World Relays for the September 13 to 21 World Championships in Tokyo, Japan. World leader and Olympic silver medalist Kishane Thompson will be part of a star-studded men's 100-meter field at the Eugene Diamond League meet on Saturday. Thompson is set to meet previous world leader American Trayvon Brummel, as well as former world champion Christian Coleman. Another Jamaican, Akeem Blake, is also listed alongside Great Britain's Zarnell Hughes, as well as rising South African star Bayanda Walaza. Recently crowned national champion Tina Clayton is also set to compete in a strong women's 100 meters. She will face reigning world champion American Sha'Carri Richardson, Olympic champion Julian Alfred, and world leader Melissa Jefferson Wooden. Britain's Dina Asher Smith, Nigerian Favour Ofili, American Twanisha Terry, and Ivorian Marie-José Talu Smith are also in the lineup. Olympic finalist Tia Clayton, who suffered an injury in the final of the women's 100 meters at the national championships last Friday, has also been listed. 13 other Jamaicans are also listed to compete at the meet, including national 200-meter champion Brian Lavelle. And finally, Liverpool forward Diogo Jota has died in a car crash aged 28. The Portugal forward's brother, Andre Silva, also died in the incident, which took place in the Spanish province of Zamora. The 25-year-old was also a professional footballer with Portuguese second-tier club, Penafiel. They said that their car, a Lamborghini, left the road due to a time block while overtaking another vehicle and then caught fire. Jota married his longtime partner, Ruth Cardoso, with whom he had 3 children just last month. He recently posted pictures on social media external of the ceremony, which took place on June 22. Liverpool said they are devastated at the loss of Jota, who they signed from Wolverhampton Wanderers for £41 million in 2020. He scored 65 goals in 182 appearances for the Reds, helping them win the FA Cup and the League Cup in 2022 and the Premier League title last season. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thanks, Chris. And that's the Midday News. I'm Amoy Harriet. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, have a good afternoon.